Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of StashAway, the robo-advisor platform that's been making waves for its user-friendly approach to investing. But before you unleash your inner investment dragon, you gotta feed the beast. That's right, we're talking about funding your StashAway account. Now, for some, investing can feel like navigating a financial jungle. Fear not, intrepid explorers. This video will be your machete, hacking away the confusion and showing you exactly how to get your money flowing into StashAway. Step 1. Gearing up, setting up your StashAway account. Before we get to the money transfer fun, make sure you have a StashAway account set up. Thankfully, the process is smooth sailing. Head over to the StashAway website and hit that shiny sign up button. You'll be guided through a quick registration process where you'll answer some questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, StashAway will recommend a personalized investment portfolio. Pretty cool, right? Step 2. Scouting the territory, choosing your funding method. Alright, with your account primed and ready, it's time to pick your funding weapon of choice. StashAway offers a couple of convenient options. The bank transfer stalwart. This is a classic and reliable approach. You'll initiate a bank transfer from your preferred bank account to StashAway's account. StashAway provides clear instructions within the app or website, including account details and reference numbers. Just remember, bank transfers might take a few business days to reflect in your StashAway account, so plan accordingly. The instant gratification Gatling gun, if you're all about speed, and who isn't these days, StashAway also allows instant deposits using services like PayNow, Singapore, or JomPay, Malaysia. These options typically zip your funds into your account straight away, letting you fuel your investment fire in a flash. Step 3. Launching the attack, making your deposit. Now that you've chosen your funding method, it's time to make that deposit. Here's a quick breakdown for both methods. Bank transfer. Log into your online banking platform and initiate a transfer to StashAway's account details, ensuring you include the provided reference number. Double-check everything before hitting send. Avoiding any unnecessary delays is key. Instant deposit. Within the StashAway app, navigate to the transfer section and choose Put Money In. Select your preferred instant deposit method, PayNow or JomPay, and follow the on-screen instructions. These often involve scanning a QR code or entering a unique reference number. Step 4. Victory lap, watching your investment grow. Once your deposit is confirmed, give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully funded your StashAway account and taken the first step towards a potentially brighter financial future. StashAway will automatically invest your funds based on your chosen portfolio, and you can track your progress right within the app. Remember, investing involves inherent risks, and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider seeking professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.